there is an amazing app developed by Google which will be coming in the upcoming Pixel 4, and this app will blow your mind. This is a sound recorder. But this is not a normal sound recorder, it's more than that. And in this video, we are going to discuss more about this. So, without a further delay, let's get started. Hello guys, my name is Sid and welcome to our channel. This sound recorder is really amazing as it possesses AI capabilities. Let me explain. It records the sound as a normal sound recorder, but it can detect what kind of sound it's being recorded. For example, if you're talking, then it detects it as a speech. If a music is being recorded, then it detects it as a music. And the best part is, if you're whistling, it even detects that. Let me show you how this app works so that you can get a clear picture. Dream is not what you see in sleep. Dream is something which doesn't let you sleep. Isn't it cool? But there is something even cooler, and that is, it can live transcribe whatever you're speaking. Let me show you. Dream is not what you see in sleep. Dream is something which doesn't let you sleep. You can use this sound recorder as a voice memo and store short voice clips. Another best thing is that if you want to search a specific phrase among your recordings, you can also do that. This shows us what kind of amazing things an AI can do. Even you can try this app. We have provided a link in the description from where you can download the APK file and install it on your phone. So that's it for this video guys. If you like this video, then feel free to subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Also share this video with your friends and family. Also you can follow us on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, whose links will be provided in the description. Now I will meet you in the next video. Have a great day guys.